Just as commonly as you'll be deleting rows and columns, you'll also be inserting them in Excel. And it works much the same way. The first thing you might want to do is insert a row above this one. So I'll select the entire row, and I can either click Insert from the Home Ribbon tab, or I can right-click and choose Insert. The new blank row will be inserted directly above where the cursor was. I'll undo that. Now, also just like deleting, if I wanted to, I could only select a certain amount of cells in the row. For example, we can insert a row, but keep this table intact over here on the right. I'll select my data, right-click, and choose Insert. And just like when we deleted, I'm prompted with what I want to do. In this case, I'll shift the cells down, and it's going to insert a new row above where my cursor was. It's the same with columns. I'll right-click a column, choose Insert, and that column gets introduced to the left of the column that I had selected. There's one more thing that's really neat, and you can do this with deletions too. You can insert multiple rows or columns at the same time. For example, let's say I need 2 new rows of data. I'll select 2 rows by clicking and dragging, right-click, and choose Insert. And that's what I get, 2 new rows of data. This also works for deletions if you wanted to delete 2 rows at the same time. In addition, I can select all of this data here. I've got 4 rows, but I haven't selected the entire row. I'll right-click, choose Insert, shift the cells down, and now I have all this space to work with here, again, leaving this intact on the right. What if I needed 2 columns? I can do the exact same thing. Select 2 columns, right-click, choose Insert, and I get 2 new columns.